This is the E90 Health Focused Smartwatch. You got some basic controls here, but the primary thing in this watch are all of this health things. You've got step count information, you have body temperature in here, and it's showing you every 10 minutes, every hour, in 6-hour increments. Leave it on here, let it stabilize, and it'll give you a temperature reading, your body temperature right there. And it's doing it all the time. Switch over to the next tab. You are now on heart rate. And it's giving you beats per minute and showing you again, against the graph on the bottom, your last 6 hours, up to 6 hours worth of information. Go again and you're in a whole new screen. This is your ECG. You simply touch this button on the side here, 2 electrodes on the back, and that button crossing over your heart is making a connection that shows you basically your electrocardiogram. And it'll register the heart rate based on that electronic signal on this watch face. At the end of about a minute, it will archive the graph it's producing and transfer it over to the app in your phone when you synchronize it at the end of the day or whenever you connect them together again. Really sweet. It can actually be analyzed over there on your phone for more detail. Here, we're now doing blood pressure, systolic over diastolic. Again, we get the last 6 hours worth of readings every 10 minutes. When you swipe one more time, you get another page. This is SpO2, stands for blood oxygen, and it's doing the same thing, giving you a reading generally between 90 and 100. On the app, when you transfer all the data over, it gives you midnight to midnight. This is broken down for easier viewing on the watch in every 6-hour increments. This is your respiration rate. It gives you your breath rate per minute, and it likewise will do it throughout the night and throughout the day, and you can see how your breathing changes over time. You have a few different activities in here for sporting, but it's not really a fitness watch per se. And of course you have weather that will be pushed to the watch from your phone at the current temperature and show you your forecast for today and tomorrow. You have a variety of different watch faces and a variety of different bands available. This is a metallic type of a band that barely fits on my wrist, but you can get leather type or TPU. It's a nice waterproof watch, 1 button, electrode here with the 2 electrodes here for the ECG, optical diodes, and a 2-point charger. It's a really sweet watch, especially for health metrics. It's called the E90. Check it out.